Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a T10 Torx screwdriver, and a pair of gloves. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area, as this will help you see the screws and components more clearly. First, unplug your Dyson V15 from the wall. Safety is our top priority, so ensure the vacuum is completely powered off before starting any repairs. Next, carefully remove the dust bin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws, 2 on each side. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you encounter any difficulty, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help identify issues with your vacuum. After removing the base screws, gently lift the base plate off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding the base in place. Once the base is removed, you will see the motor housing. Next, use the T10 Torx screwdriver to unscrew the screws securing the motor. There are usually 3 to 4 screws that need to be removed. Carefully set these aside as well. If you don't have the right tools at hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. With the screws removed, gently pull the motor assembly out of the housing. Take a moment to inspect the old motor for any signs of wear or damage. Clean the motor compartment with a dry cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This ensures that the new motor will fit snugly and operate efficiently. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place it into the housing, ensuring it aligns properly with the connections. Secure the motor using the T10 Torx screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the motor or housing. Replace the base plate by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it clicks into place. Then, reinsert the screws at the base of the vacuum, ensuring they are tight. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for our quote before repair service, or we can guide you through the process or handle it for you. Finally, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Plug the vacuum back in and give it a test run. Listen for any unusual noises and check for proper suction. If your vacuum is still not functioning as expected, our team is here to assist with any further issues. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your Dyson V15 back in working order with minimal effort on your part. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.